Nothing has rolled out several new features for the Essential Space, the so-called AI-powered organizational hub available on the Nothing 3 series. This smart assistant is designed to streamline your daily life, and the latest improvement make it even more versatile and user-friendly. Here is a look at some of the new features. You can now sync your to-do list from Essential Space directly with your Google Calendar. This ensures all your tasks and reminders are automatically reflected in your calendar for easier management. Essential Space AI generated summaries of all your activities and notes are now editable. You have full control to review, modify those summaries so the information is accurate and personally relevant. You can get summaries of the meeting, interviews, and conversations are editable. You can record our summaries can be easily shared as an image, PDF, or Markdown file, allowing for flexible documentation and sharing amongst the colleagues and friends. The new recorder features are currently only available on the Nothing Phone 3, which plans to expand them to other Nothing devices equipped with the Essential Key very soon. This improvement does not require a full OS upgrade. Simply connect your phone to Wi-Fi, and Essential Space will automatically update these features via the Google Play Store. If you do have the auto update disabled, you have to manually update Essential Space through the Play Store. As you know, the prices of Nothing Phone 3 were $799 for the 12 to 56 GB. The top model 16 512 GB is $899. These updates are set to make Essential Phase a smarter, more efficient productivity companion for users of the Nothing Phone 3 series. Stay tuned for more updates for other devices.